Welcome into this mid-October edition of Sportsline. I'm Jeff Landers. Tonight, district playoff races heat up the chilly fall air, and there was no game bigger than in Bingham County. Hannah Miller joins us in studio for more on Westside and Aberdeen. Hannah.
Well, Jeff, this game, Westside has dominated this rivalry lately, winning 8 in a row over the Tigers, but Aberdeen hasn't lost on its home field since 2012. That loss came at the hands of the Pirates. Aberdeen hosted Westside tonight in a rematch of last season's 2A state title game, which the Pirates won. This game brought to you by East Idaho Game Night. First possession, Aberdeen ball, QB Jared Carrasco hands off to Hilario Carrillo. He's going to run along the outside for an 18-yard run to get the Tigers into touchdown position. A few plays later, the handoff to Carrillo again. He avoids the tackle, just powering through the Pirate defense to slam the ball into the end zone. Tiger touchdown, the score is 7-0. Later, Tiger possession, Carrillo running along the outside, avoiding one tackle. He's going to skip over the second tackle. He's going to bring the Tigers their second touchdown of the night in the first quarter. Score 14-0. End of the first quarter, Aberdeen again, a handoff in the backfield and a lot of Pirate coverage, but Jared Carrasco with the quarterback keep is going to bust through the Pirate defense and take it 47 yards for yet another Tiger touchdown. Westside's going to answer back to get on the board. They will fail the 2-yard conversion, the 2-point conversion. But the Aberdeen Tigers are really coming at the Pirates. They're going to play their defense, a hard sack, and this, getting his hand on the ball, that's Jared Carrasco with that one. Aberdeen again, they're going to hand it off to Riven, and he's going to take it in for 5 yards to get the Aberdeen to 21-6. Westside, they're just not keeping up. Aberdeen's going to take this one 41-14. Jeff, Westside has a bye week before the playoffs start, and Aberdeen travels to Soda Springs to close out the season. Back over to you.